Hi, Auntie. Today I'm going to tell you about birds of prey. Bark, bark. Birds of prey are also known as raptors. There are a group of birds that includes hawks, owls, eagles, vultures, falcons, and more. They have strong talons and hooked beaks to allow them to catch their prey easily. They eat meat just like me, but I prefer mine cooked. Not all owls are nocturnal. Owls active in the daytime are more likely to have yellow eyes. Nocturnal owls have darker eyes. One of my favourites is the snowy owl. Their feet are covered in feathers and they don't feel the cold. They could fly up to 50 miles an hour. They're one of the largest species of owls. Subscribe and like for more fun videos.